A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Forging Cosmic Connection. Intention aligns, coherence defines. Ladies and gentlemen, across the infinite cosmos, where galaxies dance in silent symmetry, every form of life exists as part of one vast intelligent design. Humanity too belongs to this grand web, connected, guided and sustained by forces far beyond what the senses perceive. Yet in today's restless world, across ages, cultures and continents, this truth often lies dormant beneath the weight of distractions, fragmented attention and surface pursuits. And still, quietly awaiting rediscovery lies a profound secret, the cosmic connection that holds the key not just to transformation but to transcendence itself. Since the earliest times, sages understood that life flows not from chance but from alignment with higher laws. The Bhagavad Gita declares, as one's intention is set, so shall the outcome follow. From the purity of thought, the pathway of destiny unfolds. Modern science echoes this. Intention activates neural circuits, shapes hormonal flows, and organizes energy fields across the human system. Every thought carries power, direction, and consequences. At the heart lies intention, the inner compass. When guided by positive thoughts, meaningful purpose, and higher values, intention aligns with divine cosmic intelligence. The universal field, modern quantum physics recognizes as the fundamental matrix of existence. Yet, intention is only the axis. What transforms potential into reality is coherence, the harmonized functioning of the 5 human platforms. First, physical, the vessel of vitality and endurance. Second, mental, brain health that fosters clarity, focus and wisdom. Third, emotional, stabilized energies that cultivate empathy, resilience and calm. Fourth, spiritual, awareness of cosmic intelligence, guiding humanity and higher visions. Fifth, aspirational, purposeful goals that channel abilities into constructive outcomes. When these 5 platforms operate in synchronized coherence, guided by aligned intention, the full spectrum of human potential awakens. It is then that the deeper codes embedded in the DNA ignite, As Arjuna, the warrior, was empowered when guided by Lord Krishna on the battlefield of life. Here, stillness becomes the gateway, not as an outdated concept, but as a refined practice of brain entrainment, a systematic methodology leading the mind into quiet precision. In stillness, scattered neural activity settles, brainwave harmony emerges, and the doors to higher intelligence open. Modern neuroscience affirms this fully. Brain imaging reveals that practices cultivating stillness stabilize prefrontal networks, calm emotional turbulence, lower stress hormones, and enhance cognitive flexibility. Emotional resilience strengthens, compassion deepens, clarity becomes natural. What's the way forward? The journey begins with small, conscious steps, setting daily intentions, practicing brief brain entrainment sessions, limiting digital noise, honoring natural rhythms of rest, mindful breathing, and anchoring thoughts in higher values. As coherence grows, alignment strengthens. The mind no longer drifts. It becomes both focused and expansive. The inner sun, radiant, generous, and self-illuminating, awakens. As the Bhagavad Gita declares, wherever Krishna, the master of cosmic intelligence, stands alongside Arjuna, the purposeful seeker, there exists victory, abundance, and righteousness. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the cosmic connection is not distant philosophy. It is life's deepest reality. Intention aligns, coherence empowers, stillness opens, cosmic intelligence guides. In recognizing and living this truth, transformation occurs. Transcendence becomes possible, and for every individual in any age, any culture, any land, the path to illuminate self, society, and the world remains open, waiting to be walked. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.